Okay, parts and tools required for assembling through the bar frames. Quadrant, stop, which is already in. 10mm nuts, 10mm threaded dog points, 4 torque knobs, 2/4 nuts, pin, grub screw, Allen key for dog points, and then 2 box spanners. Okay, so assembly, pin into frame, quadrant, lining up the hole in the pin, thread grub screw into quadrant until you meet resistance. Take the 2/4 nuts, which will be 8mm. Take box spanners, rotate and adjust at the same time, so you can see the quadrant moving across, so it's central to through the bar, and tighten the other side up. You're looking for a bit of resistance. If you find there's any movement, just give the Allen grub screw a tighten with the Allen key. And you should get a smooth action. You just want the quadrant to stop in position all the way through. 2 dog points. Using the Allen key, just thread up, so you see the threads the other side. Placing the 10mm knots on the inside. Just finger tight to the frame so they don't come loose. And then the torque knobs, one on the left and one on the right. Finger tight again so they don't come loose in transit. And then do the top 2. I think we've got a bit of paint in the thread. And that's it. Thank you.